Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a flying wanderer for this premiere. I'm very excited. Also, I'm very excited to show you FPV flight tour that I did a couple months ago in this beautiful resort in Rote Island. I want to discuss with you the issues that I had and the problems that I encountered and what I did to overcome those. So let's dive in. So this project was a collaboration that I did with my girlfriend. She's a fantastic photographer, and we organized some collaboration with some resort hotel in exchange for property photos, videos, and in this case also fly through. We get free accommodation, sometimes food and activities also. It's a great way to travel on a budget, also to train for when you're ready to actually ask for money for your work. I had a few days to prepare myself for the flight through. So I planned the route, I talked with the resort team so they would act and do something to make the shot more lively. And I prepare myself well. I fly the route a couple of times, felt confident that I can do it when needed, right? During the training everything went pretty well. On the day of the shooting I did the first flight and I had some jello in my footage. Like, what the fuck? So after the first flight I kind of tightened everything up, tightened the screws and thought it would be it. Went for the second flight and I didn't really realize some jello. I used the Active Flying Cineon Z20 for this particular shot. Well, I reviewed the footage in the night and realized, okay, there's jello still in the footage. On the day after we were leaving, so I couldn't redo the shot. So it was very unfortunate, but I had to find a solution. I couldn't give them the one-take flight through that I did. So I decided to use the footage that I did from the training and combine them kind of together. Did my best to make it as seamless as possible, and I think the end result was okay. Here is what I came up with.
Thank you.
So it's definitely not perfect, but it's better than nothing, and it's better than the original footage with all the jello. Even in this one you see some jello if you look properly. On small screen you won't see it, but as soon as you look at it on a bigger screen you definitely see it. But some of the shots I couldn't take out. I guess I'm still happy with the end result. Also, as a little bonus, because of this mistake, this issue that I had, I threw in some other footage that I did during a night shot. Out of boredom, I kind of decided to take my drone and to fly during dusk. Just a very short clip, very fast, not going inside the rooms and everything, just on the premises. But I really liked the shot and I threw it in as a bonus. This is the shot. I actually really like this one. It fits the mood of the hotel perfectly, I think, and also it showcases the resort in a different light and kind of smooth. I added the music also. Yeah, like I said, it's I done this of boredom, but I'm quite happy that I did this one. At least it's one extra that I can give the client. It doesn't make me feel that bad that I messed up the initial flight. So yeah, quite happy about this. All in all, even not everything went perfect, I gained a lot of experience on this one. What I can really recommend now, don't wait for the last moment to make your flight. Just do it a few days before, or like if you have only like 1 or 2 days, just do it in the morning, for example, so you can review the footage, and if something went wrong, you can do it again. Also, make sure your equipment is working properly. Alright, this was it. I hope you like it. I'd love to hear your thought of how I handled this situation and what you would have done differently. Drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and see you the next time. Bye.